kilograms of a BMX bicycle beast that I just got for this year in 2023. So that's an amazing setup that I just got there. We are going to explain the parts in details and the feature of it and why I choose those specific parts. Mostly because I ride skate parks, so this BMX freestyle, it's designed only for BMX park. And why is that? Well, first the frame is really short over here, and here it's quite low, so that's the feature of it. We have as a frame, it's a 21. Brake is all-in. The brake's arm is 170 millimeters. Of course, I've been keeping those tires, which are the same as Max's. We have the front rim is an alienation blue. If you can zoom on the part, you can see from closer. Colony Wasp light as a hub. We got some rainbow oil slick spokes. And what is cool about these wheels is that the tube inside is the tubulator. Here's the photo of the tubulator. And they are extra light. They are 50 grams per tube, so they're so light. I got the same at the rear. And super excitement, at the back I got an Odyssey Stage 2 rims and Colony Wasp light hub. So it's so light. I picked it black because I wanted something more sober. And I got a total handlebars as well as a total forks. Look at this fork. The forks here, it's so slim, which makes it extra light. Also got a magical piece of the carbon headset just to make it extra lighter. And I got a beautiful seat, which is mine can. It's nice and quite hard at the moment, but hopefully it's gonna soften up as I do some tail whips in. We have the sprocket, all slick. It's a Salt Plus just to match the stem, which is awesome. And the grips just remain on the ODI, but for the first time within a long time I'm picking the black colors, so just to make it extra sober. Same for the pedals, the premium, quite slim in the plastic, so now the pedals doesn't want to kill myself each time I do a tricks, so plastic only. And the chain as well is all in, so thanks to All In for providing me those parts, because this chain is extra light, as you can see. And it's actually pretty much it. I just want to say thank you to Lux BMX for the wheels, because those wheels coming from Lux. And I want to thank Kunstform, because that's the entire shop in Germany that sent me the parts from Germany to here in New Zealand, so thanks for that. Thanks All In for those parts as well. 8 kilograms of a bike, really light, really responsive. As I mentioned, it's really short here, very low here. And yeah, it works beautifully on that. So hopefully you like this video, hopefully you like this beast of a new bike. And we see you next time in the next video.